Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can split the item code from the pack size. So we have around 20,000 line items. So I will show you the two types of methods. First we need to copy the data and paste it into next column. Then go to data tab and click on text to column. Under delimiter, click next. Under others, need to type the symbol that is available in the item code. You can see the difference. I select the symbol hyphen that is there in the item code. The product codes and the pack size is getting splitted to the different columns. So then click on next and then finish. So now you have your item code separately and the pack size separately. For few people, if you want the prefix also to be appeared after splitting this pack size, you have to use concatenate formula to add any symbol as you wish to the item code. Then you need to do the same procedure and steps again. So I'm again going to copy the item code and paste this in the different column. Now using concatenate formula, I'm going to add apostrophes as a prefix symbol that will be considered as text 1 and text 2 will be our item code. Then close the bracket and click on enter. So now you have the prefix in the item code. So now copy this formula and paste it till the end. So now again you need to copy the data and paste it as a value, because the item codes are added prefix but it is showing in the formula. If you directly go to text to column and try to extract, it will show the formula only, not the values. So you need to copy the data and paste this as value. Now click on text to column and then next, and you can see the difference. Click on finish. Now you have the item code and the pack size separately. Hope this video is useful to you. If you have any suggestions, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.